As a Ugandan court hears a challenge to one of the world's harshest anti-LGBT laws, there is more at stake than the simple constitutionality of the statute. LGBT activists say the Anti-Homosexuality Act has given Ugandans an implicit license to abuse and discriminate against sexual minorities, and that it has led to a surge in torture, sexual abuse and evictions at the hands of private citizens. The government has dismissed the claims as propaganda and said the law reflects the values of the conservative and highly religious East African country. Sandra was summoned to her boss's office at the supermarket where she worked, days after the law was enacted in May.
My boss called me and told me, I can't allow you to work for me anymore because of what is going on.
He told her that if customers learned he was hiring someone like her, it would ruin the company's reputation.
And then I was like, just why don't you be open with me and tell me exactly what's happening? And it was like, you know, the bill is going on, and I've been hearing about you. Some of the workmates came and told me about you, what you are. Naturally, I am not bad about anything. I'm good with it, but about my business, I can't contain someone like you. So he wasn't a bad person, so he evicted me from work. I lost my job.
Left without a job, Sandra could not afford her rent and was evicted from her house. Now she has found a place to sleep at a shelter for homeless LGBT Ugandans. The Anti-Homosexuality Act was signed into law by President Yoweri Museveni in May. It immediately prompted US and World Bank sanctions. Since then, rights groups say hundreds have suffered torture, sexual abuse, intimidation and eviction, according to a report released in September. On Monday, Uganda's Constitutional Court began hearing a challenge to the anti-LGBT law. It carries the death penalty for certain same-sex acts and 20 years in prison for promoting homosexuality. The government has previously said the law is meant to criminalize same-sex activity and its promotion, not penalize LGBT Ugandans. The petitioners are seeking to overturn the law, arguing it violates constitutionally guaranteed rights.